Acanthosis nigricans is a skin condition. It causes thicker and darker patches or streaks around joints and body areas with many creases and folds, such as clunkles, armpits, elbows, knees, and the sides and back of the neck. Some people also develop acanthosis nigricans on their palms, groin, lips, or in the very rare cases, non-crease areas like the face, back, arms, or legs. The skin may stay soft, which is why the word velvety is often used to describe the symptoms of acanthosis nigricans. Acanthosis nigricans is not an infection and isn't contagious. A few kids might have mild itching, but others acanthosis nigricans is harmless. Still, a doctor will run tests to rule out underlying causes that could require treatment. Managing acanthosis nigricans means treating the condition that are causing the skin darkening. Causes: acanthosis nigricans most commonly found in children with high blood insulin levels, a condition often associated with kids who are overweight or obese or have diabetes. Sometimes acanthosis nigricans can be a warning sign for other more serious conditions such as certain cancers and endocrine problems, along with type 2 diabetes and the health issues associated with obesity. In rare cases, acanthosis nigricans can be caused by certain medicines such as oral contraceptives and cholesterol medicines. In some cases, it can be hereditary, passed on to a person by his or her parents. Symptoms: Symptoms: usually the only sign of acanthosis nigricans can be dark, thick, velvety patches of skin in creases and folds, usually in neck, armpits, or groin, but it's sometimes found in the lips, palms, knuckles, soles of the feet, and other areas. In rare cases, children may have mild itching in the affected areas. Illustration: the patches of skin will usually change color slowly over the course of months or even years. Skin changes color rapidly, call your doctor right away. It could be a sign of serious medical condition. Diagnosis: if it develops acanthosis nigricans, see a doctor who can determine whether there is a serious cause. Doctors can generally make a diagnosis of acanthosis nigricans by taking a look at the affected skin. To test for other conditions, the doctor may order blood test or an X-ray. Treatment: most cases of acanthosis nigricans only involve changes in skin color and thickness, and there is no set treatment for it. For cases of acanthosis nigricans where any underlying cause is found, treating the cause can make the dark patches of skin fade or disappear entirely. This can make stopping any medicines that might be causing the problem or treating any health issue. For most, the best treatment for acanthosis nigricans is to maintain a healthy weight and to get plenty of exercise. Eat a good diet and make healthy lifestyle choices. Several studies show that eating well and exercise can help lessen and some cases prevent or reverse acanthosis nigricans. Living with acanthosis nigricans can be highly visible and hard to cover up, especially if it happens on the neck or hands. So having it can be embarrassing for kids. They may feel self-conscious and might be teased by classmates. To help feel better about their appearances, doctors often prescribe creams and lotion that can help lighten the skin. As many questions as you need to in order to understand when and how to follow the treatment plan. Don't believe the high-profile bleaches, skin scrubs and over-the-counter exfoliating treatments. These aren't likely to work and can irritate the skin. It cares and cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your health and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and do let us know what do you think in the comments below. This video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases, consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The editorial board does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.